Okay, we've got our cold line there. If we follow it this way, it starts getting hot right where it's connected to the mixing valve. It seems to be bypassing the check valve somehow. And all of this line is hot, even though it should be cold. It appears that one of the recirculating lines is not recirculating. It's only slightly warm. It's warm, it's just not as warm as the other ones. So the problem they're having is the cold line for the kitchen is that one coming off the end of the T there, and it's got nothing but hot water in it. That valve there is another check valve. It's supposed to be stopping the water from coming back from the tanks. It seems to be either bypassing or it's coming from some other direction. It would appear that the best plan at this point would be to open up that check valve right there. It's supposed to be blocking water coming from the mixing valve, and see if there's anything holding it open. Beyond that, we should take that 1-inch line coming off the end and tap it before the mixing valve on this side where there's still cold water.